Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing a line of sight flight test for this guy. This is the cheapest quad worth building. If you've seen my series on this so far, I did a build video and then a beta flight setup tutorial. So now we're going to be doing a line of sight test. And just a quick note, I am going to be giving this guy away after I finish all of my flight videos here to one of my Patreon supporters, so there'll be a link in the description below. If you wish to help support the channel and be entered to win this quad, as well as other giveaways coming soon, it's much appreciated. So let's real quick go over the components. The frame is the Alpha Monster. It doesn't look too bad. I've heard a lot of people say that the arms actually aren't that strong, and I'm really not a fan of just how tight the design is. There's no good place to mount the antenna. You guys are all yelling about it. This is just temporary for here, as well as the stupid camera mounts just broke. Really prefer my own custom Nexus frame, but whatever. This thing is only like 30 bucks, so cheapest quad worth building. It'll get the job done. Here we have the Emax Eco 2207 1700 kV motors, GemFan 5149.9 Hurricane motors. I have a SkyStar Turbo F4 stack with 4-in-1 ESC and flight controller with an eSheen TX805, Fox Air Micro Aero Pro, and a FreeSky XSR. I actually had an XM Plus in there, but they were the wrong version and they would not flash for some reason, so I had to put an XSR in. You can see I just shoved it in there. Not ideal. Just this frame is a lot tighter than I expected, but it will get the job done. And then on the bottom for the battery, we have a Tattu R-Line V3 1300 6S. You can make this a 4S quad just by getting the 2400 kV motors instead of 1700. So let's go ahead and get it all plugged up. Just tuck that out of the way. The radio hooked on. There we go. I'm gonna come over in this direction just because the sun's pretty low. Not bad so far. Wasn't quite sure what to expect from these $10 motors. Emax definitely has a good name for quality, so it's not like you're getting Racer Star motors, which are almost just a couple bucks cheaper. Oh yeah, this thing definitely has some respectable punch. Full throttle punch there. Hard to see it with the sun. Let's come over here and do a full speed pass. Not bad, not bad. I'd probably say it's somewhere around 100 miles an hour, just from a rough guess, based on my quads, which can do about 120, 115. They have higher kV and just a little bit higher components overall. But so far, for $162, not bad. Putting in some serious work. So funnel. Try to get closer. Of course, this Tattu R-Line V3 is definitely helping it perform. This thing is a monster battery. But definitely a lot of low-end punch with these Emax 1700 kV motors. Not quite what I was expecting of this build. I knew this quad was going to perform well just based off its specs, but this is exceeding my expectations so far. And this is stock Betaflight 3.5.7 tune and filters. I put my own rates in though. Alright, I don't want to kill this battery, so that's probably going to be about it. Let's get the hand catch. And there we go. That is, let's feel the motors. Oh wow, this are barely warm. It's about 85 degrees out right now, so pushing on it like that, this stock tune is actually really good for this guy. It doesn't need much more. So that was the line of sight video for the cheapest quad worth building. Not bad at all for $162. My biggest complaint probably is just the frame. It doesn't really fit well. The camera mounts are crap. No place to mount the VTX. But the drivetrain, the motors, the props, the flight controller stack, and I know the camera's going to be good. I've used it before. Really impressed with that so far. So there will be an FPV video coming soon. And once again, I will be giving this quad away after I finish these flight videos for you guys. I'll be giving it away on Patreon. If you subscribe there, it will help support the channel. You'll be entered to win this, as well as you can join the Patreon Discord. And you guys can chat there and ask questions. I can respond pretty quickly on there. So yep, that's going to be the video. There'll be links in the description below to all the parts if you're interested in building your own, as well as the build and setup videos if you want to follow along. So yep, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.